to my channel. My name is Kiki and today we're participating on My Christmas My Style 2018 with our host Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. In this challenge I'm gonna do a DIY and I'm gonna do a DIY snowman using this ornaments. And these ones I bought them at 49 cents in the dollar store because they just wanted to get rid of them. As you can see, they're in really good condition. So we're going to use this type of ornaments to make a snowman. For that, we're going to need this cardboard roll that comes in the inside of wrapping paper. What we need for that, it's a little piece of this. I think it should be smaller, I think. What we're going to do is we're going to use this one for our base and we're going to glue them together like this. And in the top part we're going to use some cardboard to make a hat. And now we're going to let that glue set. And we're going to come back to make it a snowman. For the hat, what we're going to do is we're going to cut some of the same tubing. Cut it like this. Check it out. Measure it. And we cut some of this tubing for our hat. He's gonna have a top hat. And now we're gonna build what's left of the hat. This is our base. For our top hat, I'm just using some cardboard I bought from Walmart. I'm gonna measure my base on my cardboard and cut a circle around it. So now that we have it, what we're going to do is we're going to take our cardboard and measure our base like that to see how much cardboard we need to cover our hat. I think this is enough. Yes, it's more than enough. Now what we're going to do, we're going to cover our hat completely, leaving a little bit of space on the top part so we can add this. Let me cut it with a little bit of space to our top. And just like that, we start here. Now that we stick this part to this cardboard, we're going to cut it here to start decorating. Now we have our top hat for our snowman. I made a slit here. Let me show you. I made a slit right here and I pushed my ornament so his hat pops right in. And this is how it's looking. It's looking pretty cool. Okay, now let's decorate this hat. I have this here. I don't think I'll be using that for the hat, but I have this here, and this looks really cool with our theme. That's rustic, kind of farmhousey glam. And this looks perfect for that purpose. now we let it dry a little bit, and then we continue decorating our snowman, because we are going to be adding a scarf that I think I will be making out of this or burlap. I think burlap will look a lot better, and we are going to do this part also, that we are going to use this. And now we continue by adding this to the side. This is a snowflake I bought from eBay. Now we're gonna get him his scarf, and we're gonna continue to his face. Now he doesn't want to stand. I want you to stand. Okay, he's standing. For that, we're using our burlap, some scraps that I have here. So now we're gonna go up to his face and add a little nice face to him, and we're gonna end up this so we can put it in our house or use it as an ornament, adding here some jute string, or right here in the back you can use it as an ornament for your Christmas tree. Let me get something to make his face. And now we're gonna paint his face using regular acrylic paint. Paint his beautiful face twice, and his nose. Look how cute. Beautiful rustic glam snowman. Let me show you how it turns out. And this is how he turned out. As you can see, his beautiful hat, his coffee beans buttons, his snowflake. I added a jingle bell here, and you can see his cute face. This is how he looks. You can use it as a tree ornament or to decorate in your house. I hope you like it. And remember, in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the playlist link so you can watch everyone else's videos. Remember, if you like it, hit thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.